Hello, I'm Neha Saxena and I'm a conservation architect. I worked with Drona from 2009 to 2011 and was primarily engaged in conservation and restoration projects of Jaipur and its vicinity. One such project that I closely associate with is the conservation and reuse proposal for Ghat Ki Guni. The historic complex of Ghat Ki Guni, also known as Purana Ghat, is located at a distance of 3 kilometers from Jaipur on the Agra road. It has an impressive conglomeration of 52 unique properties of great architectural and historic significance with a scenic narrow valley. This 2-kilometer long spine cuts through the site with temples, gardens, havelis, and garden havelis with a resplendent Galta nearby. The stretch includes properties with private as well as public ownership. The historic site of Ghat Ki Guni not only served as the gateway to Dhundhar kingdom but also as the location of several pleasure gardens. With the foundation of Jaipur, a new architectural spirit was created and many gardens, palaces and havelis were added. Many existing temples at the complex were redeveloped, while grand gardens with central water channels were also laid on the symmetrical charbagh pattern. These palaces were made secure by strategically locating many gates which were used to block the way through the valley and served as guard posts. Since 1991, several government initiatives by various departments have been envisaged for the revitalization of the culturally, historically and aesthetically rich heritage zone of Ghat Ki Guni located to the east of the Jaipur city. In July 2009, the Department of Urban Development and Housing finally decided to integrate all past efforts and give shape to the restoration and revival of the Ghat Ki Guni stretch. The preparation of DPR was commissioned to Drona by Jaipur Development Authority. A parallel project was launched for diverting the National Highway 11 connecting Jaipur to Agra that was inaugurated in 2013 by the then Prime Minister. A DPR was prepared for the 52 individual properties lined on both sides of the street between Golcha Garden and Sisodia Rani Ka Bagh. These included proposals related to the site, including proposed land use based on building typology, signage development and design based on existing architectural vocabulary with detailed condition assessment of each property. The overall concept for development of the stretch was at 3 levels, with adventure trails addressing the hills, pleasure palaces and terraced gardens to be developed as recreational spaces, and the narrow winding street to be developed as a lively day-night cultural heart with crafts emporia and artisans' workshops and displays. It also included detailed proposals for selected properties for addition and relocation of toilets and development of facades. All the 52 properties of Ghat Ki Guni hold the status of being protected by the state government of Rajasthan. An inclusive and participatory approach was used in the project during planning and implementation to get locals' view on board.
ये रोड का दबाव ज़्यादा है, ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है। जब तक ये रोड नहीं निकलेगा ना, वो शुरू टाइप चल रहा है कि अंडरग्राउंड निकलेगा, जब जाके ये इसका डेवलपमेंट नहीं तो ऐसे तो जाम लगता रहता था।
Currently, the entire stretch has been restored and is being regularly maintained. As part of the plan, heritage walks are organized here on occasions such as World Tourism Day and International Day for Monuments and Sites. The first heritage walk for Ghat Ki Guni was conducted on 27 September 2014. Drona conducts these walks for student groups, professionals as well as tourists. The project won the HUDCO Conservation Award in 2013 and is recognized as Best Practice Document by ICLEI and the National Institute of Urban Affairs in 2015. As a professional and as a resident of Jaipur, I am truly proud to be associated with the project.